Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Begin by building a disciplined schedule using 50-minute study blocks with a 10-minute break to maintain focus and avoid burnout. Allocate weekly themes: ancient, medieval, early modern, modern, and contemporary, making one-page timelines for each era to visualize chronology and causation. Break topics into manageable lists and set goals like completing 3 chapter summaries per block. During the last month, schedule 5 practice DBQs and targeted multiple-choice sessions, increasing mixed review so you practice retrieval and time management under simulated pressure. Focus on skills central to the Regents: thesis writing, using documents, and map reading. For DBQ, write a one-sentence thesis that directly answers the prompt before outlining 3 specific pieces of evidence and 1 analysis sentence for each. Practice sourcing by stating author, date, and perspective in 1 line, and connect documents to broader themes. Drill map skills with labeled regions, directions, and 2 examples of economic or political change per map to trace continuity and transformation across space and time. Simulate the exam by taking 2 full-timed practice tests, then score and review mistakes within 24 hours to reinforce correct methods. Develop an exam day kit: 2 pens, an eraser, a 12-inch ruler for map tasks, and water. Avoid new strategies that day. Use a time plan. Skim and answer easier multiple choice first, then spend roughly 50 minutes on essays and DBQ planning with 10 minutes for revision. End each practice by correcting errors and rewriting 1-week paragraph to build mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.